ChiroPractic, chiropractics for everyone.
How's your spine today?
My lower back is usually I just typically feel a little twisted.
I adjusted you a month ago. How'd you feel after I adjusted you?
Great. I swear that I must twist myself up when I sleep, laying on my side maybe.
Good. Any tenderness here?
No,
Here?
a little.
That guy there?
Yeah, and there.
Anything new in the last, any injuries, incidents, anything to report?
Nope, so just trying to use stretching and yoga to sort of self-adjust.
What did you say about your shoulder getting hurt?
It started in my upper back, about where you're touching, but the incident was that on a jet ski, I was kind of holding the handlebars, right, and it jerked it, I think, out of socket maybe, and then I could move it, and I said, I've never broken a bone, so I've never had that sensation of not being able to move something. So I fell off the said jet ski and it turned off, and then I couldn't move one arm, and I'm in the Susquehanna River, sort of flailing, trying to have I fell off with someone else, so they're holding on to me, and I've got one arm working. I'm like, dude, I can't move my arm. I don't know what happened. And eventually, I don't know if it was me, just the mental trying to move it, that got it to kind of stick back in, but I had pain. I had pain for months. Couldn't really move it well.
Tender.
Oh my goodness. Part of the pain for sure. I can definitely feel the tenderness.
So you're breathing.
I love magnesium. I feel move on that little one.
Are you ready to get adjusted? Okay, nice gentle breath here, Lucy. Okay, Lucy, this one's a little bit different. This time you're going to take a deep breath in all the way in. Good, and then as you breathe out, we'll push on the top of the breath. Go do that again. Let the shoulders sink as you breathe out. Now you're back. Got shoulders coming up. Good, good. One more time, let the hip go, shoulders go. Good, lay your back. I'm going to adjust your left side.
It's like night and day.
What?
It's like night and day. But I can move my neck again. Have you done that float spa?
Yeah, absolutely.
They've got me a gift card, and I never did use it. And I've been
God, you
really
need to go
thinking.
do it. All right, nice and gentle here at the bottom. We'll just do a very gentle one.
Oh.
Is your jaw okay?
It feels great. I was just like, my jaw felt not so great, and now it feels better. Like I actually felt like.
Now open slowly.
Oh.
Okay, open your jaw, like halfway, but like let this loosey-goosey here. Good.
Oh, it doesn't pop anymore.
Open. Open halfway. Go, let this relax, let this like loose. I couldn't stop laughing at that time because you were dead.
Oh my gosh, my jaw.
Alright, let's do this. Go and squeeze my fist in between your knees. Push, 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 push. Relax. Okay, now squeeze again. Squeeze. Okay, relax. Okay, squeeze your knees together again. Squeeze them together. Hold. First, I'm going to find your belly button here. This is your ASIS, the front of your hip bone here. We connect these 2 points here. Again, in and out.
Oh my God. Now I can really breathe. Oh, wow. That was amazing. Everything feels different.
Good, almost there. Hold on. Good, one more time. Yeah, push.
Oh.
Kelly, your arm rest on my shoulder. Gonna take a deep breath in. Out. All the way down. Good. Shoulder relaxed. One more.
Oh, it doesn't hurt down to my elbow anymore.
All right. That was beautiful.
Thank you.
Yeah.
I feel like a new person. I'm gonna go swimming and just feel like this fluid person. Oh yeah. If I can't bend over and kind of get anything out of my back like that, then I am.
Adjusted.
Yes. I'm even going farther in my forward fold.
What happens if you straighten your knees? Wow. Good adjustment.
Yeah, definitely. But yeah, I'm definitely that.
So good.
That one's so much farther. Oh yeah. Even my wrist feels better. I know that there's just one little thing.